will take the blessing of the God, and the best blessing of the God is from the Saraswati.
And propel India into a new era of progress and prosperity. First and foremost, digital transformation holds the key to inclusive development. I think that's the most important. By leveraging technology, we can ensure that every citizen, regardless of their location or social economic background, has access to essential services such as healthcare, education, financial services, etc. Through initiatives like digital literacy programs and the provision of affordable internet connectivity, we empower individuals to unlock their full potential and contribute meaningfully to the nation's growth. Further, digital transformation has the potential to revolutionize governance and enhance the delivery of public services. By adopting technologies such as e-governance, data analytics, and blockchain, we can streamline administrative processes, improve transparency, and eliminate inefficiency. Our direct benefit transfer is a good example of that. This will not only save time and resources, but also enable citizens to engage with the government more effectively, leading to a more participatory and accountable democracy. In the realm of business and commerce, digital transformation is a game changer. It offers a plethora of opportunities for entrepreneurs, startups, and traditional industry impact of our activities. By promoting the adoption of clean technologies and fostering a
किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ये उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में